He is going to school. I am going to school. We are going to school. They are going to school. She is going home. He is coming home. I am coming home. She is eating an apple. He is drinking some milk. I am reading a book. She is writing a letter. He is playing with friends. I am watching television now. She is washing her hands. He is brushing his teeth. I am making my bed. She is cleaning her room. He is opening the window. She is closing the door. I am helping my mother. He is helping his father. She is calling her friend. I am talking to Mom. He is talking to Dad. She is listening carefully now. He is looking at birds. I am waiting for you. She is wearing a dress. He is wearing a jacket. I am carrying my bag. She is drawing a flower. He is coloring the picture. I am learning new words. She is singing a song. He is dancing with friends. I am jumping very high. She is running very fast. He is walking with Grandma. I am sitting beside Mom. She is standing near Dad. He is sleeping on bed. I am waking up early. She is opening her gift. He is packing his bag. I am folding my clothes. She is watering the plants. He is feeding the cat. I am feeding the dog. She is cooking with mom. He is baking a cake. I am setting the table. She is washing the dishes. She is cleaning the kitchen. I am taking a shower. She is combing her hair. He is tying his shoes. I am wearing my shoes. She is riding a bicycle. He is flying a kite. I am throwing the ball. She is catching the ball. He is kicking the football. I am playing the piano. She is opening her notebook. He is solving the puzzle. I am counting the numbers. She is learning English today. I am answering the question. She is asking a question. He is telling a story. I am reading aloud now. She is smiling at everyone. He is laughing with friends. I am enjoying this game. She is visiting her grandmother. He is meeting his teacher. I am greeting my neighbor. She is buying fresh vegetables. He is selling fresh fruits. I am carrying some groceries. She is drinking cold water. He is eating delicious food. I am finishing my homework. She is starting her homework. He is doing his homework. I am learning every day. She is helping her sister. He is helping his brother. I am playing with toys. She is sharing her crayons. She is saying goodbye now. He is turning off the lights. She is making new friends. I am enjoying the picnic.